Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel where I review the latest tech products. In this video I am going to talk about the newly launched Apple Watch Ultra 2. I will talk about the latest features that comes with this watch, so keep watching this video till end. And before starting the video, the buy link is given in the description and you can buy this watch at discounted price. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss my latest tech reviews. So let's start the video. First, let's talk about the display. It is the brightest Apple display ever, powered by all new S9 chip. The always on retina display is 3000 nits at its peak, making it even more readable in harsh sunlight. Alright, so next up is the customization action button. This gives you quick physical control over a variety of functions. It can do things like start a workout, mark a compass waypoint, or begin a dive, or anything you want. You can customize it through this action button. So this made you very easy without going into the detail of your watch. Alright, so next move to the standout feature of the Apple Watch Ultra 2 is its battery life. You can get up to 36 hours of normal use and up to 72 hours with low power setting enabled. So this is really amazing feature. Alright, so the Apple Watch Ultra 2 is powered by a custom Apple Silicon in the all new S9 chip. This chip delivers system-wide improvements and brand new features, including a new double tap gesture. The Apple's new double tap feature lets you perform different actions by tapping your thumbs and the index finger together twice. You can use it to answer a call, taking a photo with the camera remote feature, or scroll through your smart stack widgets. While going hands-on with the Apple Watch Series 9, we tried the feature and found it to be very fluid in use with good response time and natural feel. Basically, it's designed to let you perform several key functions with Apple Watch without needing to use your other hand to tap the screen on the digital crown. It turns the Apple Watch into one-handed device for several functions, which is an excellent for both accessibility purpose and general ease of use. And on device Siri with the ability to access and log health data privately and securely. So that is it for this video. It's clear that this watch is packed with incredible capability and is ready for any adventure. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to more tech reviews. See you in the next video. Bye bye.